Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to be taking a look at the BeatBox. It's $3.95 a box. I got the blue raspberry, 500 milliliters or 16.9 fluid ounces, and the tropical punch. They're both 11.1% alcohol by volume. Now, I'm not sure if this is actually classified as a wine or not, but it does have the same alcohol content as wine. I know that's no way to actually judge a wine if it's by its alcohol content. But I thought it reminded me of those boxes of wine when you go in the liquor store and you buy wine in a box, but like a little individual serving size. So we're gonna go ahead and try them. Oops. So right there, I did another video. I think it was it Mad Dog or something? I forget what no, it wasn't Mad Dog. But it was another wine where it looked just like Windex. And that's what that reminds me of, Windex, right there. That's kind of a turn off, just the color. I ate raspberries before, and I don't remember the juice out of the raspberries being this color. But we're going to go ahead and try it. It does have a nice berry smell to it. Not overpowering, not perfumey. Close up look for you. Go ahead, give it a little taste. That tastes, once again, that tastes really artificial. And I don't see an ingredients list on this. Product of Mexico, imported by BeatBox Beverages, LLC, Austin, Texas. Contains Softies, premium, other than standard orange wine with natural flavors, sucrose, and certified color. So you got an artificial color, standard orange juice wine, but they call it berry. It's not bad, but it's not good. It kind of has a pineapple taste, so I'm curious what this is going to taste like. It's like if you took a blueberry drink, mixed it with pineapple, and maybe some other kind of juices, you get this flavor. But you can actually taste the artificialness in it. But I'm going to go ahead, get rid of this, wash out the glass, and we'll try the tropical punch. Okay, let's go ahead and try pineapple one. Now, I really like pineapple upside down cake, pineapple upside down cake to drink, dried pineapple. So I'm kind of looking forward to this one. And it says orange wine on this one again, just like that one. Now, if you got kids, I'd definitely tell them not to drink this because it does remind me of a kid's juice box. Go ahead. Now, to me, that looks more like a apple juice, like a watered down apple juice instead of a pineapple juice. I'm not getting a real strong pineapple smell. A nice close look for you. Give it a little taste. It's overly sweet. It really is. It's like they took pineapple juice, mixed it with orange juice, watered it down, and added a bunch of sweetener to it. It's not even like sugar sweet. It's like an artificial sweetener taste. That's kind of disappointing. I was actually looking forward to that because, like I said, I really like pineapple. But that said, the color, I really don't like the color. You can tell it's artificial as soon as you open it. And it's $4. You can find a cheap bottle of wine for $5, and it's half the size as a cheap bottle of wine. So for the price, what you get, and the taste, that really, I mean, I'm sorry, I'm really disappointed in that. I had high hopes. It's not good. It's not disgusting. So it's somewhere between, I must say, a 2. I mean, if you're interested in it, go out and try it. It's a one-time deal. Hey, let's try this single-serving box in the wine. You know, but I won't buy it a second time. Okay, yeah, let's go 2 out of 5 for the price, what you get. It's more of a novelty item, I think. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.